Meet the Elantra Sport. Unleash the 201 horsepower engine, mated to a 6-speed manual or 7-speed DCT transmission with paddle shifters. But power is nothing without precision. At the core is the superstructure, constructed from our very own advanced high-strength steel to deliver an ultra-rigid frame that enabled precise tuning of key suspension components. So that when we outfitted and sport-tuned the Elantra Sport with an independent multi-link rear suspension, you would feel it. The Sport's enhanced design cues stand out on the road. Unique blacked-out headlight housing, an aggressive grille and front bumper design, striking LED daytime running lights, and distinctive rear bumper. Dynamic details overhaul the cabin with performance-inspired interior accents. Sport-bolstered leather front seats. Red stitching throughout. Sporty D-cut steering wheel. And a refined, sport-inspired gauge cluster. All details that accelerate your style. Because Canadian winters demand it, the steering wheel and front seats are heated. Always stay connected with easy access to your favorite mobile applications, with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And stream music through the 315-watt audio system with 8 speakers. It's truly surround sound. Now, open the sunroof and enjoy the ride. A ride that is covered by our 5-year, 100,000-kilometer warranty. Flat tire? You're also covered with our 5-year unlimited kilometer roadside assistance. It's just a phone call away. Fueled by confidence, power, and precision.